Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jones Castro here. South Korean Navy receives new Chamsuri-II patrol boats. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for elite insights. Follow on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. South Korea has received four new Chamsuri Batch 2 patrol boats armed with a 130 guided rocket system, delivered on December 8, 2025. These vessels boost coastal defense and strengthen rapid response capability in tense maritime zones. According to officials, the next generation boats launched at HJ Heavy Industries in Busan feature faster acceleration, improved situational awareness, and higher lethality against hostile small craft. They mark a major modernization step, gradually replacing older Chamsuri class boats that have guarded Korean waters for over 30 years. Acceptance trials will continue into early 2026, but the Navy states the platforms are already operationally significant. Thank you.